Hi everybody, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. Today is a simple, let's create some skulls because I'm inspired by either Halloween or just doing some powder resin or Day of the Dead. So we're using Let's Resin Magic Pour, which is a powder and water way of creating some beautiful molds. The ones in the background I created with some other concrete, which I wasn't quite happy with, so I wanted to give these a go. Now these molds are quite old, but they are luscious, and so those two I do come in and I embellished. The measurements for each one of these are exactly the same. It's 400 grams I'm mixing in total, which is a 3-to-1 ratio of powder versus water. I add mica powder. Now, put my teeth in. Mica powders are not a strong pigment, so you're only going to get a very subtle colour. But I wanted to have a go, have some fun, and be inspired by blinging them up at the end. Anyway, here you can see my measurements, which is 400 in total, 300 in powder, 100 in fluid by weight. And I use some of the beautiful mica powder from the Colour Cottage. These have been with me for years. They may not make these colours, but I am on a mission to work through all of my beautiful stuff that I've had in my drawers for years. And yeah, just have some fun and let the colours tell me what they want to be. But consider giving me a thumbs up, a subscribe, a share. Comments are always welcome. And if this video doesn't answer all your questions, please leave them in the comments and I will get back to you. But mixing the mica powder into the powder gave me more time when I added my water. So you'll see I'll add some, and when water comes into contact, it does become a little bit more stronger than what you see in the powder. But then I come in and add a little bit of sprinkling on top, give it a little swoosh, and that's just to help me create a little marbling effect. But I will love you and leave you. I hope that you are having an amazing week. You are finding some time to create and you are safe in the world. This weekend I had the pleasure of going up to Sydney, sat on the harbour, had a few drinks and then went in and watched Passenger and in the Opera House. And oh my God, he is one of my favourite artists and his voice is just silky smooth. Anyway, on that I'll leave you. See you on the next video and enjoy. Bye bye.